welcome back to my channel. I'm Beauty by Deanna D, and thank you for stopping by. Today I'm going to be reviewing a product that I walk past Ulta all the time. Never thought in a million years I would sit there and just ponder at a product for so long and be like, do I really need it? Do I want it? Do I need it? Do I need to have it? So today on Black Friday is when I'm filming this. This is the day I got it. And I said, well, I'm going to go ahead and pick it up anyways and see if it's a good product or not, because I have it here. Ulta bag. I went to Ulta. So today I'm going to be testing out the Morphe Bake and Set setting powder. I've reviewed Morphe on my channel before. Their eyeshadow palettes are amazing. Their concealer is amazing. Actually, I need to get that. Super excited because I want to get more into their complexion line a little bit more, because of course their foundation didn't really get a lot of good reviews and I did not like it either, so I just took it back. So far I love packaging. Packaging always gets me. It's like the weakest thing ever, and I chose the shade Banana is because I love baking under the eyes and that's like a weakness to me. So this is also can be used as a setting powder and a all over the face powder too as well, which is the same thing. So this product also was $12, which is not bad. And when you open it, it looks like an actual setting powder would be. Right now it's sealed. It's sealed. I wouldn't dare hold that up on camera like that. I will have a panic attack. But right now I'm gonna go ahead and open it anyway. Okay, so I have opened it already, and now I'm gonna go ahead, while we're chatting, we can do our foundation. For foundation, I would have got the foundation again, but as you guys know, I did not like it the last time, and I'm not about to buy it again just to review it with the powder, which would make sense to do so, but I'm not going to do that. So I'm going to take the Billie Beauty foundation. I'm going to do this first. This is what I always do after I do my eyes, since that's already done. This is an eyeshadow review of a palette, so just to clarify that, I'm just going to apply my foundation. So I'm taking the e.l.f. Cosmetics concealer and okay, alright, so now the part where we talk about the setting powder. I chose to say Banana because that's what I would usually go for setting powder if I was out, and that's the type of powder I would go for, because that's just what I would use to set my under eye concealer. I am very picky when it comes down to how it looks under the eyes. So this is what it looks like. I don't know if my camera is picking it up good enough, but this is what it looks like. It is very, very banana. So I'm just going to have it right here. And even if you tap it off a long way, so be very careful on that. That goes for any setting powder. Okay. I'm looking at it and I'm seeing like it does look very, very smooth. It does feel smooth onto the skin, but we're gonna see if it does well with flashback. So I'm just gonna apply it where I apply the. So I do have it on my skin right now, and it does look okay. Did do a little bit too much, kind of went over the top with it, so We're gonna let it set for a little while before we actually swipe it away and see how well it'll do. That I'm gonna be using today is, I reviewed this product too. It's another powder on my channel for a while, but I don't like using it by itself because I did get it in the wrong shade, but I use it for contouring, so I did make it work somehow, right? So I'm just going to be taking the LA Colors Mineral Pressed Powder. It feels really soft, like really soft. So I'm gonna set my face with, I think I'm using 3 powders today, but hey, I'm gonna be setting my face with the Believe Beauty. This is the pressed powder in medium deep as my setting powder all over the face, and then we're gonna come back with final thoughts. Guys, been sitting here chilling, and actually I'm on my I'm on iMovie editing commentary for my commentary channel, and it still looks good. It's actually 8:47, guys, and it looks good. It's gonna go on 2 hours. It's good. I like this setting powder. I think I'm gonna have to go back and get, the setting powder. Okay? The setting powder. I think I'm gonna have to go back and get the setting powder. Alright everyone, so it's been at least 2 hours since I actually been wearing the powder under the eyes, and it still looks pretty good. Has not moved, and it looks good. It looks good on the chin area. They really do a lot of coverage, and then also on the forehead, it looks really good. I'm impressed with it so far. I'm getting ready to remove my makeup, but it looks really good, guys. I did not even plan on doing a wear test, but it looks really good. There aren't really a lot of creasing going on, and for it to be 6 hours, and I did use like a heavy concealer under it, and the concealer still looks like it's in place. I'm very impressed with the setting powder. I applied it to the under eye area, the forehead, and the chin area to really like intensify the makeup look a little bit and make sure that I don't look tired, but this looks bomb digs. Woo! Okay, so the setting powder from Morphe. This is a setting powder that definitely goes a long way. I would highly recommend you guys using like a sponge. I use a brush, but using a sponge will do even great, like a beauty blender or a sponge, just a regular makeup sponge. But it looks good under the eyes. Let's see. I just had to, you know, zoom up so y'all can see. It looks really good under the eyes. Over the top, I did take a couple of photos without flash and with flash, so I can do a flash test with it and everything, but it looks well blended into the foundation. It doesn't have that, you know, like whenever you're using a banana powder, you can actually tell, even if you blend it in so many times, it doesn't have that. I like it. It's very smooth. Sometimes Morphe do a good job with their complexion launch, and they have other. Go on Morphe.com. Let's see. Come on, phone. Okay, so I'm on the site, and these are the shades they have. They have bright and pink. Then they have translucent rich, which is for more of the women of color side. They have also the shades banana, which I have right now. And then they have the shade also banana rich, which could be a little bit more for darker skin types that's a little darker than myself. But I do like the banana one. I think I'm gonna go and get the other shade, which was, let me see, let me go back, translucent rich. But yeah, this is amazing. Let's look at the reviews on their website. So this person says, my dark circles are a killer and often show through my concealer. So I hope the banana powder, setting powder will help under eyes to brighten them up and creasing. Want to try a banana powder, rolling the dice to see what, okay. They're just probably, okay, let's go to the reviews. Okay, so the reviews, it says it's a 5-star. It's the highest, that's the highest rating for this product. And then this person said, this is my newest favorite translucent powder. I usually wear a liquid foundation and add a translucent powder on the top. Regardless the brand, high or low end, my foundation always creases in my smile lines and under my eyes. But this one gives me a soft face. I recommend you to use this powder. Oh, and this person says also, we can go on their website, you also can see it too. It says, I was worried about camera flashback white powder under my eyes, but it will turn out real nice. That's if we want to use the lightest one. I'll buy it again when it runs out. And then it says, I thought the banana would be a little light for me, but turned out great. So banana works for any skin tone if you want to really get the banana one based off of what it looks like on me, but it definitely works on any skin tone. So I'm going to do another picture, another selfie, because I'm feeling this one. Oh, it looks so good. It really looks good. Yeah, it looks amazing. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know what you guys thought about the product, and let me know if you purchase it. If you like how it turned out on me and everything, let me know if you guys will purchase it, because that will make me happy. And I gotta go, and I'll chat with you soon. Bye guys.